Ah, now I know. You know why? Because of that. What do you call that?
Huh?
Dragon. The dragon.
Ah, I think the dragon is a symbol in here, that they are selling.
Oh, see, they can relax over there. Oh,
But you
take
have the.
yeah, here. Take photo of me on that coconut tree, okay? Okay. Baby, you know what? You should take photo of me like this. Like
I don't know how to take
on
it.
the ano? What do you call that? Sky?
Sky?
Uh-huh. Like from down. Of course your phone. My
How?
phone is very bad.
How come you can connect that? It's small.
No, you take photo, you sit and then you take photo of me like that. Wait, can you?
Wait, let me try. So we should be like this, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course
Or
with me.
we need to switch it up and like this.
Oh, we look good together. Sige na,
But
take me.
it's so bad. My hair's so bad now.
Ah, too
Yeah.
much na. Too much.
Mm. Yeah, my hair's so.
Yeah, see, it looks so good. Put it more down.
I don't like when my hair's like that. It's
I
wait
will
me,
be the one who take photo.
wait me,
I will show my boobs,
wait me now,
my
wait
big
me.
boobs.
Okay, or temporarily.
Temporary. Okay, are you ready?
Mhm.
One, smile na. Like this. Yeah, it's white, super white.
Mhm.
That, like that. One, two.
Why?
What
the-
happened?
Why my hair so weird?
Okay, one more. One more. One, two. Are you ready?
Mhm.
Okay. Is it? Yeah. One, two.
Ah,
Oh
play ka,
na, here na.
play ka.
You should take photo of me. Here na. Take photo of me, okay?
But why my? Oh,
Okay. Ready? I'm
mhm.
ready. Should be lower, ah. You should see the sky. The sky, okay? Are you done?
Mhm. It's like this.
Oh, my photographer.
Oh yeah.
I'm already happy because I have photos.
Oh, I should have like.
What? Oh, they are renting those tube.
See, I told you that.
Where should we should eat? Are you hungry? I'm still full, but I want to drink. Where's my drink?
Oh, it should be have like water for washing this, huh?
In Vietnam, you have those one because in
In
Dubai we have.
Yachang,
Really?
last time we have the water, for the.
I don't know. I can't remember. Do we have
Yes,
in Nha Trang?
of course. We have a.
I like coconut tree. I like to take photo of the coconut. Baby, can you take photo of me here?
Wait, wait, wait. Uh huh.
That's enough. Can see anymore. It's so dark. Oh, I don't know what happened. Ayah. Baby, are you sweating?
No.
Oh, there's a toilet over here. There's the faucet.
Yeah, it should be have like that. But why that's so